Let me show you how I made this delicious crunchy coconut chips. I'll be making use of this one coconut. I'll first of all set it on my gas to make it easier for removal. After heating it, I broke the coconut open and carefully removed the flesh from the shell using a knife. Next, I grated the coconut into thin pieces, just like you can see here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Then I placed a pan on the fire, added water and sugar and allowed it to come together. I added the grated coconut and kept stirring and cooking until the coconut becomes golden, dry and crispy. Once it was perfectly crispy, I took it off the heat, allowed it to cool and then packaged it. And that's how I made my crunchy coconut chips. If you have watched to this point, please subscribe, like, comment